Let's select the correct word. First one, I saw blank elephant at the zoo. Correct. Number 2, she bought blank book from the store. Good job. Number 3, please close blank door. Good. For the last one, he is eating blank apple. Amazing. First one, the cake blank by my mom. Good. Second one, they blank the project last week. Amazing. Number 3, the homework blank by the students. Well done. Number 4, the last, we blank dinner at 7 p.m. Amazing. Number 1, how blank apples aren't there. Good. The second one, we don't have blank time left. Amazing. The third one, there are not blank chairs in the room. Good job. Last one, she does not drink blank coffee. Amazing. First one, she blank at the party I saw her car. Well done. Second one, he blank be the new teacher, I'm not sure. Good job. Number 3, that blank be true. Amazing. Number 4, last one, you blank be tired after this long day. Well done. Number 1, the man blank called you is my uncle. Good job. Number 2, this is the cake blank won the prize. Amazing. Number 3, the dog blank barks a lot, lives next door. Excellent. Number 4, she is the teacher blank I told you about. Excellent. 1, I need to blank my homework. Excellent. Number 2, can you blank me a cake? Perfect. They will blank a big decision soon. Excellent. Number 4, please blank the laundry before dinner. Good job. Number 1, the coffee is blank hot to drink. Good job. Number 2, we don't have blank chairs for everyone. Amazing. Number 3, he is blank tired to be working. Good job. 4, I'm not tall blank to reach the top shelf. Good job. Number 1, I have blank finished my homework. Good job. Number 2, he hasn't called me blank. Amazing. Number 3, she is blank sleeping. Amazing. Number 4, have they left blank? Amazing. Number 1, we can take blank bus. Good job. Number 2, blank of them came to the party. Amazing. Number 3, we like blank of the movies. Good job. Number 4, you can have tea or coffee. Blank is fine. Amazing.